What's up, Disney fans? It's Wayne with Disney Trips. I got a little surprise today. Today, we got something very special. We're going to unbox our Disney box from myohmyplaners. This is actually an anniversary gift I got for my wife. We're going to be at Disney World during our anniversary. So I got her a Disney box from myohmyplaners. We're going to open it up, look at what we got, and then we're going to go surprise her with it. Before I wanted to open it, I just wanted to, like, they asked me what her favorite character was. I told them Ariel. So they got all kinds of stickers. Cover up my thing here. See? My oh my, you received magical mail. Someone magic. Love Ariel. We got all the way around. Alright, we got it open here. The beginning part of your Disney World Magic Mail. Alright. See what we got here. We got some blow-off stickers. Like I said, look at this. Melissa. And David, that would be me. I know, I go by Wayne, but David's my first name. Happy anniversary. See, I included that whenever I let them know. I just told them it was for our anniversary, and they included something a little special. And that's pretty awesome. Look at that, a countdown days until Disney. This is another reason why I wanted to open it up and give it to her before we made it down there. They included these cool little itinerary planners. Park Hollywood Studios. First one was Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, and this isn't like cheap paper. This is really nice paper. That's the Epcot. Uh oh, now we're getting into it. Now look at this. Ears. Beautiful. Alright, a little thank you from Jackie and Megan. Let me tell you, I watched them on TikTok. That's actually how I found them. And they are really great people just watching their TikTok. My personal Disney planners. My planners. That's their Instagram. Magic in the mail. Mail the magic. I can't read. I apologize, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. T-shirt. Not a t-shirt. It's a bag. Cool. Now this was something that I wasn't expecting, but I absolutely positively love. On the back it says happily ever after, and then on the front, little Mickey and Minnie gives our wedding anniversary. We have a Disney cup. Seashell on it. Alright, we're back. And I got this. She's gonna open it. She's gonna open it up right now. Happy anniversary! It's your anniversary gift. Yep, absolutely.
Going to Disneyland?
No. Disney World. But those little cute little things, and those are itineraries.
Woohoo!
So now we can write down everything.
Awesome. Thank you.
Well, the girl that does it, Nora, she draws them out. So
Yay, that's awesome.
Hopefully.